There is so much interaction. You spend so much time working in groups and working with teachers. The teachers are really human, really learner-centred, and there's a lot of humour, and there's quite a lot of joking and quite a lot of laughing and informal learning, and I think students get a surprise at that.
My favourite part of this course is when we work together as one, even that's an individual or group activity. We're always making sure that no one's left behind.
If you study English language at Otago Polytechnic in the Language Centre, you'll get the English language that you need to work and live and study in Dunedin, and then hopefully that will move you towards your goal of studying further academic study at Otago Polytechnic.